Are you ready to turn your love for coffee into a thriving business? Introducing the Balashov 20-bar semi-automatic espresso machine. The perfect blend of Italian design, professional power, and business-ready performance. With a 1050-watt motor and 20-bar pressure system, it delivers barista-quality espresso every single time. The NTC intelligent temperature control ensures precision, while the pre-soaking function brings out the rich flavor of your beans. Ideal for small cafes, offices, kiosks, or mobile coffee carts. This machine can brew up to 10 cups, making it perfect for high-demand spots. Here's the best part. Selling just 50 cups a day at $3 per cup means over $4,000 per month in revenue. Scale up, and you're looking at $10,000 plus monthly. Want to start your own coffee side hustle or upgrade your workspace? Don't wait. This machine is your gateway to brewing success. Click the link below to order now and start serving profits.